Hey, how you going guys? It's Jimmy from RB 500. I'm in a bit of a predicament. I've left registration for my old 1965 Clipper way too late, and I've got probably 3 days to get the bike running. We'll have a quick little looky. It's just down here. She's looking pretty good, but I've got a flat battery. I think I need to get the historic rego done by this weekend, so it's what, Thursday. I need to get it up to the shop by Saturday and get this thing ready for a show we've got coming up soon at Surfside Motorcycle Garage in Brookvale in Sydney. It's an all British bike day, so I really want to get this bike up there. It's a 1965 Royal Enfield Clipper, so it's pretty rare in Australia. It'd be nice to be able to rock up on this thing and show it off. So yeah, I'll take a few pics and share it with you. I think it's just a battery, but we might need to get a van and take it up anyway. So let's check it out and see what's going on. Cool. Fingers crossed.